Juncus subnodulosus is a very rare species, only one locality is now known. It is nearby the northern Podillia region. It was seen once with Vladimir Batochenko during one conference. Dracocephalum austriacum. It is included in the Red Data Book of Ukraine, very rare species. Only one locality was observed in the northern Podillia region. It is included in other articles. It was observed firstly with Vasily Rao, and the second time I was alone. It was flowering the second time on May 2019. I passed driving license test and went to the forest. It was very productive day. So the species in the meadow slopes on Lesa and Sepuha mountains, one locality. First we noticed only the leaves, but locality is very known for botanists. It is mentioned in many articles. Not very large population, but it's possible to meet as well after flowering. Leaves are enough for identification too. Very rich biodiversity is one of the largest number in Europe, as it was mentioned by one botanist during conference. Ranunculus acris, here it is very weak condition because of the drying in the Verkhobuzh reserve. It was observed several times. It is better to observe during different times. If we are not sure from the leaves condition, then we can observe during flowering, during fruiting. It is in the population of Cocoaria pyrenaica species from the Red Data Book. And I explored this locality and found as well this Ranunculus. Common species, but it is in very weak condition. As well like Cocoaria pyrenaica was suffering from dry habitat changes from the melioration. Bad effect from this, and a lot of species disappeared, even common ones. This species is very common in the villages, in the gardens, parks, cities. Carex nigra as well from the same locality of Cocoaria pyrenaica. Common Carex, but for identification we need fruiting as well, it's better and verified then. So I visited this place as well several times to confirm. Here we see the fruiting. It is common species as well in the river valleys. There it's not so in large quantity, again because of the melioration. The species is declining in the Verkhobuzh reserve. It is between Verkhobuzh and Kotiv villages. Galium intermedium, quite rare species but not included in the lists of rare species, is recognized like rare on the web page of Vasily Rao about plants of Verkhobuzh reserve and Verkhobuzh range mountain system. So it was seen near Kindrati village, very large individuals. First it was seen near Tudovac village, quite rare in the Fago-Selvatica forests. In the outskirts it's much larger, so where is a lot of light, it's a better condition for the species. In the dark habitat underneath of trees, it's not flowering maybe even every year. It's very hard to find flowering individuals. It was seen as well near Zervonica and Koblachina villages in the dark Fago-Selvatica forests with not so much light, but there are good raven ecosystems, a lot of humidity. There it was not in so much quantity. but even without flowers, it's possible to guess that it is the species in this territory.